parang, syempre, napag-uusapan yung sa boyfriend mo.
Yes.
Parang, bothered ba si former president? Ano bang reaction niya?
I know when he is bothered pag inuulit-ulit niya yung pangalan. So he's been, from the previous visits until now, he's been repeating the name. So I just assured him na you don't have to worry about another man in my life because I will never love another man the same way. So ayun, I just assured him na ano lang. Siyempre, I know my limits also. So of course, I
Baby
know
girl
my
kasi.
priorities right now and yun, baby girl niya pa rin ako. The other visit, I asked him, okay, how old am I turning on April 10? He said, 21, but you are still 12 years old to me. So, ayun, baby niya pa rin
Baby pa rin
talaga.
talaga tingin niya.
Hindi siya papayag na lalaki ako. So,
Parang words yung sabi niya pag binabanggit niya yung pangalan.
kasi VP brought up na,
Oo.
uy, yung ano ni Kitty, ganon. And then, sinabi niya yung pangalan. So, usually, when he rarely says any names, but when he does mention a name, it means that it bothers him. So, syempre, every father would
Yeah.
would
Especially
feel the same way.
baby girl.
I understand. So, it's just being a father.
Siyempre, kagwapa ni Kitty, sa Magori ang papa. Diba, Kit?
Yeah.